How we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Flair Bartending Tips. Coming up on today's episode, I'm going to show you 10 unique and awesome ways to open a bottle of beer. Yes, Corona beers, of course. I will be announcing who's going to be the winner of the Tom's Fly bottle, so stick around until the end to find out if you're that lucky person. And this week, I'm going to be giving away a Tom's Tiki Shaker, but not just one, two Tom's Tiki Shakers. And what you need to do is put a comment in the comments box below and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You can do that now and you'll be in for a chance of winning one of these beautiful shakers. Yeah. Right, for this video, I'm gonna be using Corona beer. I chose it because normally they have this nice neck on the bottle, which I talk about in some of the moves coming up, so you'll find out what that's all about. I Corona. You'll also need a bottle opener. This is just a stainless steel bottle opener. You can get one of these from my website. There is a link in the description below. If you haven't got one of these, I recommend get yourself one. You can do some nice little tricks and you can flip it around. Right, let's get started. The first one is a simple one. This is how it looks. All you need to do is pick up the bottle, make sure the blade is hanging over the bar top, place the bottle underneath and let it lift the blade up. Then from there, you can open up your bottle. The second bottle opening move is a very popular move which I've seen for many, many years, and it's hitting the cap with the bottle. But you can also do a little upgrade, which is one I used to do on stage, which looks like this. Is as you're opening the bottle, you're lifting it up. So you're lifting the bottle cap and the bottle up at the same time. And then you can hit the cap, or as I just did, you can catch it in your mouth. Here's the hit. So bottle opening trick number 3 looks like this. So all you need to do is make sure you're placing the blade towards you. You're gonna lock it in place like this, but at this point, you're gonna hold onto the bottle and you're gonna hit with your elbow, and then when you do that, the blade will drop down, the bottle cap will come off, and you can pass your beer to your guest. Moving on to bottle opening move number 4, which you use this magical trick, and you can come around, and you can pop the bottle right here. Woo! The trick with this move is the first part, which essentially all you're doing is making sure that the blade is locked in to the bottle cap like this. And then if you want to use one hand, you need to lower down gently and catch it. And that's this point, you want to make sure your finger's in the top, not underneath, in the top. And then when you come around, you come all the way and come to your neck and you pull it open, or you want to do it with your leg. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I have a lot more bottle opening tricks. So if you like this one and you want more, smash that like button and we'll do a second video at some point. The next bottle opening trick was shown to me by a friend called Pedro Garcia. It looks like this. Ooh, nearly missed it. You're gonna place the blade underneath as if you're gonna open it up normally. And then from here, you're gonna place your thumb and push up, okay? And then from there, you're just gonna hit up. Oh, what you did. I also got the bottle cap. Normally this next move is easier to perform with a Corona bottle, hence the reason I bought Corona bottles. But this specific Corona bottle has a little, this part here, this sticky out part, makes this move a little bit more difficult. But this is the bottle cap pop. All you're doing with this bottle opening trick is popping the cap off the top of the bottle, using sheer force to pull it off basically. So this small part that sticks out on your blade is pulling on the top of the bottle cap, and that's what's gonna pull it off. And if you hit it hard enough, that's what's taking it off the top of the bottle. The next bottle opening trick, I saw a guy called Delpech use this a lot in a competition called Legends of Bartending. Looks like this. First of all, you're gonna hold onto the bottle like this with the blade, and you wanna get that blade horizontal. You need it flat for this next part. Now, if you do have a blade with a vinyl coating, which they are possible, there is a link in the description below, it makes this move a bit easier. Then you're gonna balance the glass on the bottle. Now, what's happening at this point, imagine the bottle is on there, you're gonna pop the bottle as you normally would, open a bottle of beer, and at that point, you're gonna grab the glass in the same hand that you're holding onto the blade. So, holding the bottle, flip the glass, catch the glass. Don't try it at work, make sure you're practicing at home beforehand. Easier than you think. This next beer bottle opening trick doesn't really have a name, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. Ooh. I said previously on one of the moves that Corona normally has this gap between the bottle cap and the neck and the rib right here. It makes this next move easier. So you're gonna hold one bottle in between your thumb and your hand like this, and the second bottle is gonna come on top, okay? Now the trick is you want this bottle cap under one of the little sticky out ridges of the second bottle, and you're gonna press them hard together. So you should be in this position. With your hand, you need to hit it quite hard, or what a lot of people try and do is hit it with their foot. Ooh. The next bottle opening trick is one of my signature moves. Looks like this. So you want the bottle and the blade in this position. Now face the blade away from you, and you're gonna place your arm on top, and you want the blade to sit on this part of your wrist. That's where you're gonna balance it later on. I'm kind of putting a bit of pressure to make sure nothing falls apart. Now from here, you should be able to balance it fairly easily. What you need to do to tip it forward is you slowly bring your hand down, and you'll feel the point of balance come off of your arm, and then you can lift up, and then it's just a case of practicing that balance. Now, when you come to throw at the beginning, you can just let it drop in front of you and catch it, but as you get better, then you can throw and catch behind your back and pop it badly. Right, the last bottle opening trick I'm gonna show you is the only one which involves throwing the bottles. And again, if you have a vinyl covered blade, then this becomes much easier. Looks like this. Ooh. Now you can come and open your bottle. The trick is to throw that bottle flat, back to front, flat throw. I've done a video on back to front throws up there. I recommend you go and watch that one first before trying this trick. But once you've nailed that back to front, the difficult part is nailing it with your weaker hand, because I want to catch in my stronger hand. So I'm throwing from my left up to my right, and I'm catching it on the bar blade. Now the trick here is I'm gonna hold the bar blade like this with my index finger underneath and my thumb on top. So when I catch the bottle, my fingers are almost touching the bottle. They are touching the bottle. That helps me know how to balance the bottle correctly. Once it's there, then it's just a case of acknowledging, getting your applause, taking the bottle off, and then opening that bottle. All right, little BRUCEY bonus for you one here. Now you can open a bottle with a cocktail shaker as well. If you don't know how to do that, very, very simple to do. You're placing the edge of the shaker under the top of the cap, okay? Now from there, you're gonna push on your finger and push up. Ooh. Another little BRUCEY bonus move for you here is picking up bottle caps from your bar top. Grab your bottle opener, and hey presto. Amazing, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to find out what I'm going to do with all these Corona bottles and all this Corona beer, then go and check me out on Patreon. Thank you to all my patrons that have already signed up. I really do appreciate everybody's support on there. It really, really does help. Every little helps to make these videos. Feel free to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Welcome. I hope you like the video as well. And don't forget to smash the like button. Smash it. Don't smash it. You might break your computer. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we'll see you then. Right, before we go away, I did say someone's gonna win this bottle. Thank you very much to everybody who sent in comments on last week's video, and good luck to everybody this week. But today's winner is... Congratulations, iTemper1234. Just drop me a message and we'll get your details and get this sent to you immediately. Thanks very much.